Halo guys, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back my video, and this is video. Today I'm going to share to full comprehensive review to the Infinix Inbook Air, a lightweight laptop that has been getting a lot of attention. Okay, and experience from students and average worker. And do you know at that word net a stylish device and will differ and design about quality, screen, performance, battery, health, and speaker, and finally give you a consulate on whether this laptop is worth buying. Let's start from this beginning. Design the first design and build quality. The first thing you will immediately note about the Infinix Inbook Air i5 this design. Infinix clearly went to create a laptop that looks premium without raising the price hot to like. The laptop features a sleek metal body with a clean modem lock. It's available in several attractive colors, allowing you to choose one that fits your personality. And the laptop is impossible like around 1 kilogram depending on the current model, and the makes the exterior portable and perfect for people who travel lot to quality mode between colds and feeling and extra wide and deep lead their legs with design the both quality and surfing solid. The aluminum, this is aluminum gold, and the flexing and the matching the feeling good. And was a troubling, and yes, do you know, traveling the overall Infinix did a great job balancing portability and durability. And to display quality. Moving on to display, the Inbook Air i5 come with extra-inch and full HD IP5 screen. And for a laptop, this is brand segment, the display quality and quite impressive. The color and readability vibrant, the contrast is the series, and the viewing angle with the web connecting for the document or browsing the web. Okay, and bright clever and around throws the winds and pull for indoor use. Indoors you get extremely bright. So using it under direct sunlight might be and big channeling, but you offer the majoring of indoor enforcement including classroom, cafes, and or office. It perform perfect fine. Okay, first yes, this do you know and says. And the braces the laptop are assembling, giving it the modern look, and the maximum screen space. This improve the overall experience, security and multitasking, or is watching video. And 3. Performance. Intel Core i5. Now let's start the performance, which is probably the most post Intel. Yes, Intel Core i5 processor, and depending on the generation effort, if your region and typical profile is not powerful, therefore that dies. Okay, for daily productivity, when the working Microsoft Office, Google Doc, browsing the internet with several tabs open, streaming video, and are running like editing apps, the performance is smooth and reliability. Multitasking is handled with expertise when get IGB and performance DGB. Horrifying for hidden tasks like advanced video editing, 3D, and entering the modem triple A games, And laptop is not designed for that. You can still do like photo editing and playing game, basic video and editing, Adobe Premiere and bitrate performance, and storage and speed. This is the laptop usually comes with SSD storage and commodity or 3GB, and depending on the variant, okay, this is the battery life. Battery life, the another strong point, the InBook Air series, you can expect around 7 to 10 hours and use it, and depending on your activity, if you're doing banks like the typing, to browsing and watching video, and medium to rise. Okay, the medium to rise, and make a laptop the company a student attending multi-class personality working remotely, and the standby actually the also good the battery. This is trying to quality when the laptop asleep. Charging as the component is the laptop support USB-C charging, USB and C charging, and the power bank to support high quality to keep it the charged and the nerd, and keyboard and touchpad experience. And this is not touchpad and the keyboard. For the keyboard, the typing experience comfortable, and the guys have the can amount of travel and the spacing of good enough to avoid types. I swear to someone what type is unlocked, waiting for a segment, what report or create the keyboard will feel natural like repose. Some model this is my backlit keyboard with the same train, the helpful for the working night and the experiment. Okay, and the touchpad is like smooth, is support Windows precision, driving, learning, get through and scrolling, pin zoom, and a multi-finger navigation, frequency as accuracy and responsive enough to what trending mouse and the style. Okay, this is an hours and after connection and port. This is stand Infinix management to healthy selection. Is port. This is typical include USB and USB A, B, HDMI port, and headphone jack and Type-C. And this is selection. This is selection to laptop flexible for presentation, external storage device, and external display without needing too many adapter. Having HDMI and multi usable for student and professionality who often connect their laptop, the projector, or monitor. Bye. Okay, and thermal performance. Thermal performance is always important while evaluating sleep. The laptop with the InBook series InBook Air style reliability call during moderates and normal test the under condition, and the laptop does comfortably on the win multitasking and during however the soaring this everyday accessibility and speaker and audio quality. The laptop audio quality is device and the speaker are the enough while watching YouTube and video, joining online meeting and listening music casually. Don't expect the best or studio quality charging, but the typical multimedia console fit the speaker. This the job will. Okay. And and last, web camera quality. Infinix InBook series Infinix InBook Air, the quality to services the 7:0 camera, and this is good. And for Zoom calls, Google Meet meeting I was give you perfect quality video, but perfect fine for everyday communication and online learning. Okay guys, this is for me. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.